It was a great cultural experience. The local guide, Jessica, was very friendly and passionate. She introduced different traditional Thai seasoning, ingredients, and dishes while taking us on a tour around the Chai market. The cooking place is a bit far from the city, but it's quite clean and relaxing. We made papaya salad, red curry pork, definitely one of the most signature experience in Thailand. Recommend to anyone who looks for cultural experience. Very well prepared and explained. So stuffed by the end, it worth every penny you spend. It's just fantastic, our family loved it. Everything was organized so well. First we went to the market, then we went to the house where the dishes were prepared. Such attention to detail, gorgeous dishes, a wonderful team that told us all the nuances of cooking. I was worried because I have trouble with English, but the English words used during grocery shopping and cooking classes were easy, so there was no problem at all. It was especially nice to be able to look around the local market without any pressure. The venue was not a modern building, but a wooden building, so it had an atmosphere and the food was delicious. All of them are delicious. Wonderful trip from wet market to the cooking classroom, eye-widening experience, learn the market cultures, Thai food ingredients and cooking methods. We met another classmate from Japan, relaxing conversation and good food created a wonderful atmosphere. It was a lovely experience. Staff was sufficient, attentive, professional and friendly. Cooking class premises was well presented. Staff's English was very good and easy to communicate. We had no problems in following the instructions. It was really kind, and it was fun to see and touch the market tour and various ingredients. Also, the atmosphere of the class place was really Thai, which was much better than I thought. I visited with my family, and my 7-year-old nephew was with me. Although it was difficult for the long class, it was fun, so I participated in all the dishes with knife. We enjoyed this so much. The recipe book that we took home has become a really useful resource. We put what we learned to good use and cook the dishes at home now. February 1, 2025, 18:09 and 42 seconds. The classroom is a short drive from the city, but there will be a car to pick you up, so there is no need to worry. The course service is very good. There is no need to prepare ingredients or clean up. The classroom is a short drive from the city, but there will be a car to pick you up, so there is no need to worry. The course service is very good. You don't need to prepare ingredients or clean up. You just need to cook and adjust the taste. It is very suitable for lazy people. It is very cost-effective. It takes you to the market to learn about local Thai ingredients and seasonings, and is very interactive during the cooking process. In the end, every participant has a certificate. The service staff are very kind and attentive. The cooking teaching is careful and the cooking process is fun. I really like the dishes I made this time. Will definitely attend again and recommend to friends and family. Highly recommended, immersive tour in Hua Hin. We got to tour a local market, Chai market, almost 100 years old, and then whip up delicious Thai dishes that we got to eat, under the excellent hands of our guide Chef Mo. Highlight of our time in Hua Hin. Well-organized and crafted cooking class. Prepare 4-course food. You get to eat immediately on each course of food rather than wait until 4 courses are completed. Market tour was a good experience. Worth trying this tour if you have time to spare with friends.